Alright guys, we got a Toyota Supra right here. This is 2020 MK5. Today, we're gonna show you guys how to install this wiper arm, wiper blade. Same thing on this side. It's out because we did a little work under the hood here. So I got a mark already. Gonna show you guys how to install this on the factory way. Let's go. Alright guys, you can see we got those two green mark tape already because I labeled them up already. I measured it up. So we got this guideline. You can see the area A and B. That's A and B. So A is the passenger side. You can see it there. The gap from the cowling, the rubber cowling on the bottom, to the gap where the wiper arm sits. So basically right there, the zoom in, the view of the side. That gap is 65 millimeter. That's on an A, and then on the B is a little narrower, 58 millimeter. So this is what you need to get that measurement. Basically, that's the gap from down here in this cowling plastic all the way to the bottom of my tape. Those are 65 millimeter. Okay, so you line up the arm and make sure always measure it from the end of the arm right here. End of the arm going to this this gap right there is 65 millimeter. That's on the passenger side. So if you go on the driver's side, this is a 58, a little narrower, 58 millimeter from the bottom of the tape to here. So let's do a quick one. Let's do the driver's side first. All right, here we go. Make sure you get your wiper arm. You get the nut right here. I think the socket for this nut is 5/8 for this nut right here, 5/8 socket. So just get that ready, get this lined up here. Make sure you sit on the bottom of the tape. All right, so when that line up on the bottom of the tape, just push this thing down, and then you put your nut in here. We're gonna torque this to spec. When I torque to spec, we're gonna put the cap back on to cover it up. So let's do on the passenger side quick. Alright guys, line it up. Looks good. Put the nut on here. Alright, torque spec on this one is 26 foot-pounds. So we're gonna torque all those two nuts. Alright guys, there we go. It's done. It's pretty easy. It's not that bad. Make sure to get the line up measurement on that tape. Same thing on the other side. So it's time to take out this tape now. You don't need this tape. It was a pretty easy install. The hood close look like. Wow. That's it. Looks nice. It's hidden. Just a quick video. Thanks for watching.